Hello friends, myself Dr. Pintu N. Pastagya, Assistant Professor in Sri J.B. Dharukawada Mahila Arts College, BCom English Medium, Additional Division, Self-Finance for Women, Surat. Before I start my session, I would like to say a few words about the KT Research Guidance Bureau. This bureau is helpful to research students, master degree students, as well as those who cleared NET, GSET and other competitive exam. So it's my humble request to you, please subscribe the channel, give your suggestion and favor the bureau. Major findings of this study. First, bank customers viewpoint. Among the total selected bank customers, 54.8% are male and 45.2% female. Furthermore, an analysis of status of gender-wise marital status shows that 79% and 70.4% male and females are married respectively. Age-wise classification of bank customers clearly shows that about 70.4% customers falls in the category of age group 26 years to 60 years. It is also found that majority of female customers are fall in the age group of 18 to 25 years, that is 40.3%. Basically, the current account is opened by businessmen. It is found that about 50% of male customers have current account. Only 8.2% female customers have current account. An income-wise classification of accounts clearly shows that almost all the customers have saving bank account. But in the case of current account, the higher income group customers possesses these account due to need for day-to-day transaction. Taluka-wise data shows that in Surat city, the number of current accounts are more compared to other talukas. So far as the number of fixed deposit accounts are concerned, Mangrol taluka stood first. It is found that the customers from professional business classes have possessed current bank account. The customers who are retired from their services has possessed fixed deposit in the bank. The customers were more accustomed the use of ATM, credit card, online banking and mobile banking services. Extent of awareness regarding SWIFT and demat facilities was found to be modest among the bank customers. Female customers and unmarried customers are relatively more aware regarding these services. The educational qualification play a significant role in influencing the level of awareness of ICT based service and product of the bank. The higher educated customers are more aware regarding such services and product. Taluka wise classification implies that customers of Mangrol taluka are relatively less aware about all the selected ICT based service and products excepting ATM services. A manager of the bank can play a great role in increasing the awareness about ICT based banking services. Through the advertisement and mobile banking, the female customers get relatively more information regarding ICT based product and services of the bank. It is also found that highly educationally qualified customers get the information regarding ICT based product through advanced and techno sources such as website, email and mobile banking. The digital and e-sources are found to be less popular among the customers of Olpad and Mangrol talukas because customers of these talukas have relatively very lower touch with ICT based product and services through this source. The preferences of the customers for selected ICT based banking product and services reflect priority based usage of ICT based banking product and services by the respondent to fulfill their financial needs. ATM service is highly preferred by the customers due to frequency of the cash requirement in daily life. Demat facility and SWIFT product are found to be less appropriate for the customers due to limited usage and weaker awareness these services and product. Demographic factors have playing an important role in giving preferences on ICT based product and services, because the result of hypothesis testing support that there are statistically significant differences in preference given to the ICT based product by all demographic factors. Convenient accessibility and security or less risk to use are most important factors in consideration by customers while selecting ICT based banking product and services. It is also found that relatively more female customers as well as senior citizens are looking for convenient accessibility and convenient location of ATM while selecting of ICT based product and services than the male customers. Similarly, more customers of high income group considered the factors such as number of facilities provided by each channel and security or less risk to use ICT based product and services. The customers who have higher qualification are found to consider all the factors while using ICT based product and services than other customers. An unbreakable continuous service 24/7 and time saving are most important factors to motivate the customers to use the selected services of the bank. An agreement of all covered motivational factors to use selected services is relatively higher for the female customers, and therefore housewives have found to be highly motivated by these factors to use it. Next, among various functions of ATM, the customer seems to have highly preferred cash withdrawal and balance inquiry functions. Furthermore, is also found that female customers have relatively preferred balance inquiry, cash withdrawal and deposit of cash functions of ATM. It is found that report lost or checkbook lost and stop payment instruction functions of telebanking are highly preferred by the customers. The difference in preferences given by the customers according to their demographic characteristics is found to be statistically significant for all functions of telebanking excepting the balance inquiry functions by gender of the customers. The internet banking services is more preferred for transfer of fund and checkbook request function. Generally in business, service class and professional activities, the male customers are relatively more engaged than female. In such kind of occupation, financial transactions are most often through internet banking facilities like demand draft and transfer of fund, and hence relatively the male customers are relatively more used internet banking for these requirements. Today, the use of mobile phone is common features of human life. Basically, all the banks are also promoting their customer to use mobile phones for mobile banking services provided by them. In this study, it is found that the mobile banking services is relatively used more by the customers for stop payment on a check, followed by checkbook request. Furthermore, it is found that accepting marital status of bank customers, the difference in an average ranking given to the functions of mobile banking is statistically significant for all demographic variables analyzed in this study. For the purpose of shopping, the credit card and smart card are reported to be a most favorable instrument for the customers, followed by the ticket booking function. The demographic factors wise analysis of the use of credit card for various functions clearly depict that the female customers as well as unmarried customers have given preferences to the credit card for shopping and ticket booking. Similarly, the customers of Olpad Taluka are found to be using credit card more for shopping and ticket booking. Next, among the various services provided by the banking sector to the customers, ATM and credit card facility are most popular in the modern era compared to the other services of banking sector. The ATM and credit card services are most frequently used by the customers due to high frequency of the use of such services by customers. The problem faced by the customers is more visible than other services of the bank. It is found that the level of complaint against various banks is relatively higher for the female customers. The level of education is found to play a significant role in facing the problems while using the various services of bank. Low level of education is responsible factors for lack of knowledge about the use of various services of bank. The taluka wise analysis of level of complaint against various services of bank clearly indicate that the customers of Olpad Taluka followed by Mangrol Taluka have given relatively more complaints against various services of bank than customers of the other talukas. The problem of machine out of cash and no printing of statement as machine out of order are found to be occurring most often for the customers while using ATM. In case of credit cards, the problems higher service charges and less or poor administrative facilities are relatively more faced by the customers. Today, the awareness regarding more use of digital banking is crucial goal of the government for eliminating the problem of black money in our economy. Internet banking and mobile banking are popular ways of digital banking. In this study, it is found that the customers have more faced the problem such as unupdated information and network connectivity more frequently while using internet banking, and more errors and data transmission is slow, even less information problems while using mobile banking. These problems are found to be faced relatively more faced by the customers of Chauriasi Taluka and Surat city compared to other talukas. Next, the problem such as no response and insufficient guidance are found to be more frequently faced by customers while using telebanking services of bank. Such problems are relatively more faced by the customers of Chauriasi, Kamrej and city talukas of Surat district. Next, an analysis of satisfaction with the performance of selected bank services clearly indicates that among the various services, customers are more satisfied with these services such as mobile banking, online banking, credit card and smart card. The level of dissatisfaction is found to be higher for telebanking services of the bank. Furthermore, demographic factors wise analysis suggests that female customers are relatively more satisfied with the performance of various services of bank. Next, the grievance settlement system is an important mechanism for successfully solving the problems of services provided by the bank. In this study, it is found that among various services of bank, the grievance settlement system of online banking, mobile banking, credit card and smart card are relatively more satisfactory than other services. On the other hand, the level of satisfaction is found to be relatively lower for grievance settlement system of telebanking services. Next, taluka-wise analysis of satisfaction with the grievance settlement system indicates that the grievance settlement system is relatively poor for ATM in 84 taluka, for credit card, online banking and mobile banking in Mangrol taluka, and for telebanking in Mahua taluka. An analysis of ranking on step that are to be taken for customers' awareness about various ICT channels shows that the steps such as information or demo at the bank counter and more advertisement and demo fairs regarding e-channels will be more effective for customers, increasing awareness regarding the selected product and services. The perception regarding is level of service same at all time of the day for all customers of reliability dimension is found to be a relatively lower than other reliability dimension of service quality. In case of other reliability dimension, the selected customers had agreed for all statement. However, an average agreement on expectation regarding all statements about reliability dimension of service quality indicates that they strongly agree with all statements. Now, to move on, bank employees viewpoint. Among total selected bank employees, 60% are male and 20% are female. The marital status of the bank employees clearly shows that majority 89.4% are married. The classification of age of bank employees implies that in all age group such as 18 to 25 years, 26 to 40 years and 41 to 60 years, the percentage of bank employees have ranged between 30 to 39%. Next, among the total selected bank employees, about 33.2% fall in the category of annual income of rupees 5 lakh to 10 lakh, followed by annual income of up to 2 lakh 50,000. Only 10.2% bank employees are found to earn annual income of above rupees 10 lakhs. Analysis of the educational qualification of the selected bank employees clearly shows that majority of bank employees are only graduates, 77.4%, followed by postgraduate, 19.8%. A very few bank employees are found to have only high secondary school education, 0.2%. So, a layman can say that for a banking sector job, level of education play a very important role to getting it. Next, it is also found that about half percentage, 49.6% of bank employees are serving from more than 7 years in the bank. Furthermore, the classification of designation of bank employees indicates that among the total bank employees, majority are working as clerical staff. Only 19% and 15.8% are serving as bank manager and executive respectively. The classification of priority or preferences given for the selected banking services and product provided to bank customers clearly implies that ATM services is leading service required by the customers. Hence, bank employees have given to the first preference to ATM services to provide it to the customers. Other important services are online banking and mobile banking according to the preferences given by bank employees. Furthermore, an analysis of average rank given on selected services preferred by the bank to the customers according to demographic factors of bank employees clearly suggests that expecting ATM and Demat facility, there is statistically significant difference in an average rank given by bank employees to all selected services. Next, it is found that reasons behind higher preferences or higher rank given to the selected services are easy available, that is 1.17, followed by provide competitive advantages 1.28 and more flexible 1.61. The difference in an average rank given to the reasons of easily available is found to be not statistically significant by gender of bank employees. In the case of other reasons, there is statistically significant difference according to the all demographic factors is observed. Next, as per the experience of bank employees, they have given higher rank to ATM services preferred by bank customers, that is 1.01, followed by the mobile banking 2.60 and online banking 2.61. Demographic factor wise classification of an average ranking for selected services preferred by bank customers based on bank employees clearly reflect that for expecting services such as ATM and Demat facility, there is statistical significant difference in an average ranking on selected services by bank employees, demographic factors based experience of employees. An average rank given to the enhanced and collaborative culture dimension of collaborative culture in e-bank, it's found to be a first followed by brought about group cognitive dimension. It is also found that expect marital status of bank employees versus brought about group cognitive difference is an average rank given to the selected collaborative dimension according to the demographic factors of bank employees is statistically significant. As compared to traditional bank customers, the e-banking customers have more complaints of problem in the use of ATM, other banking technologies. This happened due to lack of knowledge about the use of technology as well as technical error in machine or software. Another important e-banking complaints are higher amount of minimum balance maintained in the account and high cost of services charges charged by the bank. It is also found that there is no statistically significant difference in an average rank given on problem regarding use of ATM or other banking technologies by all demographic factors of the bank employees. According to the bank employees, the customers belonging to the age group of 26 to 40 years are more preferred e-channels more than other customers. It is also found that in total transaction done in the bank by customers, about 98.2% transaction are done through e-channel. Next, an average level of agreement on different way to motivate people to use more and more e-channels has ranged between 1.05 to 2.57 which implies that the range of strongly agree to only agree. Hence, it can be said that all the bank employees believe that all the selected ways are important for motivated people to use more and more e-channels. More knowledge to customers regarding their use and how to operate, and easy availability with lesser formalities of e-channels, and provide e-channel services according to the customer's needs are most important things for more and more use of e-channel. Now, the next part of my research was conclusion of this study. First, bank customers' viewpoint. The survey addresses the young, rich, male and services class respondent in majority. Most of these customers are aware of ATMs, credit card, online banking and mobile banking services, and the same are preferred by them in availing ICT based services due to cost effectiveness and convenient access. They selected the bank for ICT banking because convenient location and ease of access and security. The second conclusion is ATM is more used for cash withdrawal while telebanking. Mobile banking and online banking are used more for balance inquiry. Online banking is also suitable for fund transfer, and credit card are admired for shopping. Customers are more satisfied with the ATM services followed by credit card. The third conclusion is, along with the benefits, these services also cause some problem for customers where card blockage, machine out of cash, time consuming are the major problems of ATM, while high interest rate of credit card, network problem and updated information, slow transmission of data through mobile banking, and telebanking as unpractical device are another substantial harm that origin less uses of these services. Fourth conclusion, among various selected services of the bank, the grievance settlement system of online banking, mobile banking, credit card and smart card are relatively more satisfactory than other services. On the other hand, the level of satisfaction is found to be a relatively lower for grievance settlement system of telebanking services. Next conclusion, the steps such as information or demo at bank counter, more advertisement and demo fairs regarding e-channels will be more effective on customers for awareness regarding selected product and services of the bank. Further, of ICT banking is also expected to bright because it will help to bank to improve efficiency. The respondent also suggests that installing more ATMs at convenient location, providing security, fast network services and issue inexpensive services in lesser time for further perfection in ICT banking services. Taluka wise analysis indicates that respondent of Surat city, Chauriasi Taluka, Surat city Taluka, Olpad Taluka are more aware and use these selected services. On the other hand, respondents of Mangrol Taluka, Mandvi Taluka and Mahua Taluka and Umarpada Taluka are not that much aware and use to these selected services. The reason is majority of the population in these talukas are SC and ST caste. Next, the respondents classified by per annual income, age and occupation and young customers, those having income below rupees 2,50,000 and business class differ from other classes in their perception about service quality as they have higher expectation from bank while other are more satisfied with the bank services. Now to move on, bank employees viewpoint. From this survey result, it is observed that cost, speed, convenient accessibility and quality service attract the bank to venture into e-banking. Among all selected services, ATM is most preferred by customers, followed by online banking and mobile banking. Collaborative culture, knowledge management is not much developed in almost all banks. Efficiency improves in terms of speedy delivery, less paperwork, easier work and database management, etc. Next, majority of the bank employees believe that ICT helps to increase productivity through its result in downsizing of employees. Next, majority of the bank employees are satisfied with the working through selected services, but still sophisticated training to improve work efficiency, even training during services is expected to be a more effective for development. Next, while dealing with selected ICT based product and services, employees faces problems of lack of knowledge, fear of insecurity, awareness among customers. Sometimes selected ICT based product and services create confusion and job stress among the employees. They suggest creating awareness along with the service variety to make the customers familiar with selected services. Next, majority of the employees believe that customers utilize selected services through e-channel. Customers are increasing at great extent. Next, majority of the employees respondent observed shifting of customers toward e-banks. Employees favor online banking to have more loyal customers because these customers are more profitable. Almost all employees expected that ICT has a bright future because it will enable the banks to more competitive, generate further opportunities and trim down per transaction cost. They suggested placing ATMs at opportunity places, serve the customers as per their requirements and provide knowledge and security to attract e-channels customers. Next, taluka-wise analysis clearly indicates that bank employees who are working in the rural area like Mangrol, Mahua, Mandvi and Umarpada face more problem in dealing with the customers because majority of the population of these talukas are illiterate or semi-literate whose level of understanding is slow. Next part of my research was suggestion of this study or recommendation of this study. First recommendation, awareness is the key concern for the banks to spread all over, but it is the best and only way to work and gain success in the electronic age. The bank must make every customer aware about each and every aspect of the banking services, especially electronic system. They must approach the customers for providing information about innovation. Without customers' awareness, the bank can never add to profit because maximum service will remain unutilized or underutilized. Second recommendation, select the channel as per its coverage in that area. Majority people prefer face-to-face communication. Employ a person of that area to deliver information as per the understanding level of customers. Third recommendation, provide material in regional language because the present material is in English and Hindi that cannot be understood by every person. He has to approach others to know what is written in that document. and there is no privacy and they normally avoid visiting banks. Fourth recommendation, appoint an efficient person who can best manage time and cost, especially a person from the concerned region, because a local person can better understand his people. Fifth recommendation, provide knowledge about the use of selected ICT based banking product and services through demo, possibly at the counter. Sixth recommendation, develop customers focus group to make strong relationship with the customers. It will help to maintain and gain loyal customers. Next, training can be given in slot with no effect on routine work, but it is also possible during job hours because learning through working is always enjoyed by the employees. Next, customer needs to cooperate with the bank employees while using services and need to give their valuable support for proper functionings of bank. Next part of my research was scope for further study. Present study covers only selected public sector banks and private sector banks. Similarly, study can be done including cooperative banks and foreign banks. Second, present study is limited in its scope as it covers only Surat district. Similarly, study can be done across other districts for comparative picture. Next, the impact of government policies and program for banking sectors has not been included in present study. Study can be done with special emphasis of the impact of government policies and programs on the working of the bank. Here, my research report is over. I hope you enjoy this session. Please subscribe the channel of KT Research Guidance Bureau. Give your suggestion and favor the bureau. Thank you so much.